What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Loriana. Here's my makeup routine. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Of course, I'm going to be using all of my products that I provide. Shop Queen Beauty by Loriana. I will leave the link below in the description. My foundation is giving skin, okay? Period. Y'all see it. So y'all, I always make ugly faces when I apply my makeup. Just ignore them. So guys, I do go around my eyebrows with a light concealer. It is my Majesty palette. I always apply it around my brows because it just gives it like a fresh brow look. I didn't feel like using my liquid liner to apply my lashes with because I just simply didn't feel like doing a liner. So yes, I did use some lash glue, and period, got it on the first little squeeze, period. Okay, y'all see it.
Hey, YouTube!
This right here is my favorite part of doing my makeup. I love applying the mascara to my bottom lashes. It always just sets off my whole look. Like, do y'all see it? It's giving. It's giving everything that it was supposed to be gave. Y'all see it? The lip gloss that I'm applying is my Princess lip gloss. I love it because it's like a pink, but it also has like a hint of gold. So yes, it's very Queen Beauty. Now when I'm finished with my makeup, I always make sure that everything is blended. And if I feel like something isn't blended, oh, I'm gonna blend it, as you can see. So y'all make sure that y'all face is blended in with your neck. You always want to make sure that it looks like it's giving skin. So always double check. So this is the final look. Giving B, giving beautiful, giving Queen Beauty, period. Bye y'all.